How to fix Steam game validating stuck in validating loop error. So if you want to fix your Steam game validating stuck in validating loop error, then what you need to do is instead of the Steam, you will have an alternative application, which is EA app. You can go with your browser, any browser that you're comfortable with, and here you can search for EA app, and then you can go with the first option, and you will have the download section. You can just simply go and download the EA application. Here you will have download. You can go with download, and you can do the process in the EA app. But if you want to fix your Steam, then you can go with the upper left, which has that Steam option, and then you can go with settings. Now under settings, you need to go with downloads, and here on the downloads, you need to just scroll down a bit, and you will need to go with clear cache, and then clear your cache on your Steam. Once you've cleared your cache, it might shut down, and after shutting down, it can restart automatically, or if it doesn't, then you can open up your Steam, and then you can go with the login. It will relaunch your Steam and your problem might be fixed. Now once it's relaunched, you just need to simply go with the Steam again and then go with settings, and here you need to go with the storage section now, and here you will have all of your games, right? So you just need to simply click on the game and then go with the three dots, which is on the top right, and go with repair library. It might take a couple of minutes to verify your game files and repair any corrupted files that are in your game. So that's it. That's how you can fix your Steam game validating stuck in validating loop error. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.